Today we're going to show you how to install your CS8813 or 8913 convertible car seat. Before beginning the installation process, please double check the model number on your car seat and check it reads CS8813 or 8913 to ensure this is the correct installation video for you. You can locate the car seat model number on the side of your car seat as shown here. This section of the video is going to show you how to install this model in rearward facing mode. Rearward facing mode is suitable from birth to approximately 30 months of age. It's important to ensure the child restraint is the correct type and in the correct recline position for the child. Refer to the shoulder height markers for correct type and the recline indicator for the correct recline. Adjust the headrest if fitted and the height of the shoulder straps to fit the child using the restraint. In rearward facing mode, the shoulder straps should be sitting at or above the shoulder, never below. If the restraint has a physical headrest, the headrest should not make contact with the child's shoulders. As you can see here, we have adjusted the height of the headrest lower to ensure the headrest and shoulder straps are as low to the child's shoulder as possible without contacting their shoulders. As this model has a lift and pull headrest, if the headrest is adjusted to the correct height, the shoulder straps will always be sitting at or above the shoulders. Now that our headrest and shoulder straps are adjusted to the right height, it's time to put the seat into rearward facing mode. Underneath the front of the seat is a grey recline lever. Squeeze this recline lever and recline the seat all the way back to its most reclined position. Your seat is now ready for installation. Place the seat in the desired position in the vehicle. First, we're going to attach either the seat belt or the ISOFIX connectors. First, we're going to show you how to install the 8813 with the seat belt installation. Step 1 is to locate your rearward facing belt path. This is colour coded in blue. Pull your seatbelt out until you have enough length to thread it through the belt path. Ensure there are no twists before threading the belt through, otherwise it's harder to fix it later. Once you've ensured there are no twists in the seatbelt, engage the seatbelt into the buckle. Check the buckle engagement with a gentle pull to make sure the buckle has engaged correctly. Now we're going to show you how to install your CS8813 model with ISOFIX. As you can see here, our vehicle today has a label on the seat showcasing where the ISOFIX is located. Locate the flexible ISOFIX straps under the cover on each side of the seat and pull the red loop to release the ISOFIX straps from the seat shell. Before engaging the connectors, ensure that you have removed any twists from the ISOFIX straps. Push down on the restraint with a hand or your knee and remove all slack from the lower flexible ISOFIX connectors. Check that the seat has been installed securely at only the belt path area of the seat with a gentle rocking motion. It's time to set up and attach the top tether strap. Check the vehicle user manual to find the correct upper anchorage fitting location for that seating position. Loosen the top tether strap by angling the adjuster mechanism at a 90-degree angle and pull the strap as shown until the strap is at the desired length. The strap needs to be long enough to pass around the restraint, then to the anchorage point in the vehicle. Pass the tether strap around the sides of the child restraint. Your top tether strap should be long enough to reach over the back of the vehicle seat, passing the tether strap through the most direct route. In this case, this is around the vehicle headrest. Secure the attachment clip to the upper anchorage point in the vehicle, ensuring it is correctly aligned. Remove the slack from the top tether strap by pulling the strap towards the rear of the vehicle. Your top tether strap should be taut but not too tight. The top tether strap is too tight when it is lifting the child restraint off the back seat of the vehicle. The top tether strap excess can be stored by rolling the webbing up and using the Velcro to keep secure, or by placing the excess webbing inside the fabric pocket attached to the tether. Check that your seat has been securely installed. It is normal for there to be a half twist in your tether in rearward facing mode. This should be positioned behind the adjuster mechanism of the tether at the back of the seat shell. To make life easier, we recommend loosening the top tether strap before placing your child in the restraint. Loosen the harness straps and unbuckle the harness tongues from the buckle. The harness adjuster lever is located under the cover as shown. Now we're ready to place the child in the restraint. Ensure that the crotch buckle is pulled forward and the straps are pulled over the shoulders. The arms or hands should not be tucked under any part of the harness. Engage the buckle tongues into the buckle. You should hear an audible click when engaging the tongues. Before tightening the harness, check that the shoulder strap height is correct and adjust if necessary. Pull the harness adjuster strap up towards the roof of the vehicle, removing the slack out of the harness. You may need to repeat the previous step, pulling the shoulder straps up towards the shoulder and pull the harness adjuster again to get a perfect harness fitment. To check if your harness is firm enough, perform the pinch test. Now that your child is restrained safely, tighten your top tether strap and you're ready to hit the road. Now we're going to show you how to install your seat in forward-facing mode. Ensure the child restraint is the correct type and in the correct recline position for the child. Refer to the shoulder height markers for correct type and the recline indicator for the correct recline. To adjust the height of the headrest, loosen the shoulder straps before pulling the lift and adjust loop. Now that your headrest is at the correct height, place the child restraint in the vehicle. Don't worry if it needs to be changed later. If needed, you can make adjustments to the height of the headrest in the car once installed. First, we're going to install the restraint using the vehicle seatbelt. It's important to use only the forward-facing belt path, indicated as shown with the yellow label. Pull your seatbelt out to ensure it is long enough to pass through the belt path and thread the belt through the forward-facing belt path at the back of the restraint. Make sure your harness is buckled in and tightened before threading your seatbelt through the belt path to ensure the seatbelt is threaded on the outside of the harness. Once threaded through, engage the seatbelt into the buckle. Ensure the excess slack in the sash belt is fed back towards the vehicle pillar. Check that the seat has been installed securely at only the belt path area of the seat with a gentle rocking motion. A small amount of movement side to side is deemed acceptable. Now we're going to show you how to install your CS8813 model forward facing with ISOFIX. As you can see here, our vehicle today has a label on the seat showcasing where the ISOFIX is located. Locate the flexible ISOFIX straps under the cover on each side of the seat and pull the red loop to release the ISOFIX straps from the seat shell. Before engaging the connectors, ensure that you have removed any twists from the ISOFIX straps. Push down on the restraint with a hand or your knee and remove all slack from the lower flexible ISOFIX connectors. Check that the seat has been installed securely at only the belt path area of the seat with a gentle rocking motion. It's time to set up and attach the top tether. Check the vehicle user manual to find the correct upper anchorage fitting location for that seating position. In forward-facing mode, the top tether strap will pass directly over the back seat to the anchor point location in your vehicle. Loosen the top tether strap by angling the adjuster mechanism at a 90-degree angle and pull the strap as shown until the tether strap is at the desired length. Secure the attachment clip to the upper anchorage fitting, ensuring it is correctly aligned. Now it's time to ensure our seat is installed correctly. The indicator window on the ISOFIX should be showing fully green with no red. If there is red in the window still, tighten the ISOFIX straps further. The first step is to loosen the straps. This is to ensure the harness will fit correctly each trip and make it easier to get the child in the seat. Once loosened, place the straps over the side of the seat or insert into the buckle tongue holders on the side if fitted. This makes it easier once the child is in the seat to buckle them in. To adjust the height of the headrest, lift and pull the loop at the top of the headrest up or down as required. Remove any twists from the harness straps to ensure the harness straps sit flat across the body and engage the buckle tongues. To tighten the harness straps, Pull the straps up towards the shoulder before tightening the straps with the adjuster strap. The strap should be tight enough to successfully pass the pinch test as shown earlier in this video. Now you're all set and ready to drive.